आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं। वजीर एअज़म मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Catalyst to promote peaceful discussions. I would like to encourage you that please play a very productive role, because Pakistan live in peace in this region. Pakistan would like to promote prosperity, progress. Pakistan would like to invest in its population, alleviating poverty, unemployment, and promoting industry, agriculture, empowering our youth, our female population, schools, universities, medical centers, research centers. It's an agrarian economy, promote agriculture, IT. We have a youth pulse which can be so profitable and so useful, not only for the well-being of Pakistan, but interacting globally. All these areas are very important for us. But the other side should also have honest introspection. It takes two to tango. So I think we cannot afford tension in this area. We cannot afford to waste our resources on fighting wars as they have not been of any help in the past. So I think we must absolutely, we are convinced that we should commit our resources in investing in the well-being of Pakistan, and of course the leadership on the other side should also feel the same way. But to have lasting peace in this part of the world, we must understand clearly, without any kind of confusion, that for that we must resolve our issues, including Kashmir. Without that, we won't have peace in this part of the world. Thank you very much again. Thank you for your visit. And as a Zir showed my Indian, wunderbar. Welcome, Sie.
आपको बताएं कि वजीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि दोस्त मुल्क स्विट्जरलैंड को खुशामदीद कहते हैं और दो तरफा ताउन को बढ़ाने पर जोर दिया गया उनकी जानिब से।
और बहाली के
यहाँ वक्त हुआ एक ब्रेक का, हमारे साथ रहिएगा।